When I was a kid, this was gaming. Running around, busting bricks, collecting coins, using mushrooms to make yourself bigger so at the end you can battle some boss to win. But it was considered recreation, and educators and parents alike didn't see much educational value in it. But nowadays, gaming has changed a lot. In my future career of working with children with autism, gaming can actually be a crucial tool in helping them to understand things like socialization, cognitive development, understanding things like patterning recognition as well. We're going to look at some gaming today and understand how it works and how we can use it for the classroom. Modern games have some value for education as well, even if they weren't specifically made for the education purpose. Take, for instance, this game that's very popular right now, Animal Crossing. People are allowed to run around and look for certain items, follow patterns, work on patience and timing, communication skills. They learn different times of the day, when it's best to go out and look for certain animals, all things that are brought to them through the platform of a gaming situation. So, what we want to do is look at some specific games that were made for education. And is there any value, is there any playability for students to want to be involved in those? This is a popular game on the website Starfall. This is a popular one also for students with autism spectrum disorder. In this game, they do a simple math equation with addition and subtraction, and as they do, they build a ladder. Once their ladder is completed, their character can climb up as a reward and start climbing clouds to get to even higher levels. It shows them a visual reward for their accomplishments and gets them more involved and makes them want to play for longer. Statistics show that students with autism spectrum disorder tend to game more than their neurotypical peers. Some studies have shown this is because of bright lights, flashy colors, sounds, and their ability to control their own destination. They can move at their own pace, their own speed, their own level, and they don't have to worry about a specific curriculum handed to them in a classroom. This could be a very valuable benefit for teaching students with ASD. So as you can see, there is some value in gaming. It's an appropriate tool in education with some different caveats. First of all, it can't be a distraction. It can't be something that consumes most of the day. Researchers say that for older kids, about an hour of screen time is the limit. So if you're using 2 or 3 hours of gaming in the classroom, it could actually hinder some studies or maybe even social interaction. But when used appropriately, especially in the setting of spectrum disorder, students can learn to engage with other students over a video game. They can learn cognition. They can learn on pattern development. They can actually improve their math and language and writing skills as well. So gaming is a valuable tool to use in my future career. Thank you for watching, and go out and play a game.